Whether you're a developer building data pipelines or an analyst collecting leads, Minexa.ai turns websites into structured datasets in just minutes, making it easy to scrape company profiles from cutshort.io. Go to the cutshort.io recruitment companies page. Everything from here is automatic. Open the Minexa extension. This is where you start extracting data from any web page in seconds. Click the button, I'm on the right page, and Minexa begins analyzing the full page. It identifies repeating result patterns and understands how content is organized across the page. Minexa spotted the pagination. All pages will be scraped automatically each time this scraper runs. Select whether you only need the fields shown on the list or the full data available on each item's own page. Click Continue for direct pages. Switch to advanced mode when the page requires interaction steps before data appears. Click Create Scraper if the block looks right. The analysis only takes a few minutes and produces a scraper that works across all pages with the same layout. Every field is ready. Each one was found during training and stays consistent across all similar pages. For recruitment company profiles, this means names, locations, employee counts, and key details are all neatly extracted. Click API Request to get code that scrapes from saved HTML files instead of hitting the live page every time. Nothing gets guessed. Click Complete Configuration, and any missing field will always show as blank. All pages are set. Your scraper will collect everything across the full result set on every run. All set. Add a schedule here if you want Minexa to rerun this automatically. Then click to create your job. Press Run. Results are returned as structured rows with schema-free field discovery already resolved during training. What you are looking at was pulled directly from the right spot on the page. Each column was locked to a specific element during training, so company names, locations, employee sizes, and contact info never get mixed up. Missing fields show as blank rather than guessed, and running this again on the same page gives you the exact same result. Download the results. Each row represents one item from the page, with fields arranged into consistent columns. Start with Minexa and turn any website into an automatically updating dataset without manual rerunning or intervention.